Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to use data validation feature in Excel to ensure you don't exceed the budget limits you set for your personal expenses and family expenses. As you can see, our data here, we've set a budget limit of 100,000 Naira. And these are our budget line item and the amount we've set on each budget line item. Now, I'll show you how to use data validation to ensure that the total of this budget line does not exceed your budget limit. Watch me closely as we illustrate that. So you go to your data tab. When you get to your data tab, you come under your data tools, click on the data validation, then you click on this, right? So I will now select allow custom, and right in here, put in the formula sum. Want to sum this range, right? And I'll make it absolute. So I'll select it and fix it so that it will apply to the whole range. And I'm saying the sum of C10 to C18 should not, okay, let me extend it to C19. Sum of C10 to C19 should be less than or equal to this particular budget limit. I'll also make it absolute, right? So I'll put an input error message in case I exceed this amount as I'm inputting the budget limit for each line. This is the error message that will pop up telling me that I exceeded my budget limit. So I'll just say budget, the title is budget limits. And I'll say you have exceeded your budget limits. You have exceeded your budget limit. Then when I'm done, I'll just click OK. Good. Now we have 100,000 here. When you sum this range to this point, we have 95,000, right? So I'll input 10,000 electricity. Let me say electricity here is 5,000. Then here 10,000. Watch and see, I've already exceeded. So it says you have exceeded your budget limit. So you've placed a control measure to ensure that you don't exceed this budget limit that you have set, right? So I'll just cancel it. So that's how you go about setting budget limits for your personal and family monthly expenses. So it's either you increase the budget or you reduce expenses on other line in order to ensure that this also is captured, or you reduce the amount you have to input here, right? So that's how you go about using data validation to ensure you don't exceed your personal budget or your family budget. I believe you've gotten value from this. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.